market was kind of flat. There's a lot of uncertainty about the economy, and plus interest rates are raising and all of this stuff that market tries to find a bottom, and it looks like market is going to be range bound for a while until either we get some good news, inflation comes down, or the war is over, energy prices come down, then the economy start booming again. All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Miss variable traders and trading community. So I had a good day. I had 3 trades, a small share size, and all of them were profitable. So I didn't trade for almost 1 week. I was in Burning Man event, which is a art and music festival, for 1 week in near Reno, Black Rock City. So coming back, market was kind of flat. There's a lot of uncertainty about the economy, and plus interest rates are raising and all of this stuff that market tries to find a bottom, and it looks like market is going to be range bound for a while until either we get some good news, inflation comes down, or the war is over, energy prices come down, then the economy start booming again. But right now we definitely don't see any reason for market is going higher. At least it's not going to go lower, and we won't get the volatility. So AMD was on my watch list. It was really choppy for a few minutes, eventually breakout. So I got a fairly small share size, 79.30, all the way up to 79.70. So, and then I got stopped out at the break even. That was my first trade. TQQ is the same move. Again, I took very, very small share size on my trades in the morning because I wasn't really sure. Again, TQQ, really nice ABC to bad end, popped from 26.36 all the way up to 26.65, and I got stopped out at the break even. It kind of moved a little bit from my break even, so a little bit of a loss here. And NEO was the best trade actually this morning, that it ran up really, really significantly. The volume came in. Brian actually noticed that, mentioned that. I went long at 1726, couple of thousand shares popped up to 1760, and overall what I did was $3,500. So that was 3 trades, 3 scalp, fairly small share size. And that closed my day. I think it's pretty good. It's not significant, but it's I think considering how the market is not volatile, I think it's pretty good. How was your day, Brian?
No, it was okay. I kind of missed the big move in NEO, unfortunately, even though it kind of looked like it was going to pop right at the open, which it did. I know some of our other traders in the room caught that move, but I was watching Oxy. It just was gapping down because energy is going down, and it was weak into the open, so I just shorted it as basically kind of a rising devil trade. Which I like to do, and it really came down, and I had partialed out of it, and it just seemed to hold S4, so I just partialed out of most of it, and then when it came back up, I stopped out of the rest. And other than that, I caught the first little move on Viru. So when Viru started to break out, VERU, it had some news, and it started to break out when we got into the open, did an opening range breakout, caught the move up to, I think the last bid was out at around 1650, and then was holding for more, but then it just rolled over and it turned into an epic short, which I didn't catch. Never saw that coming. And other than that, you traded TQQ. I traded that with you, and that was kind of it. So.
You got to be careful the days like that. I mean, we're getting into the choppy day, so reducing the share size is very, very important. Otherwise, you get chopped up. I'm usually trading at the open, but in the first 1 or 2 minutes, I really didn't see anything. So, I mean, the days that you feel there's not a lot of volatility, wait until you really the setup works. So we started Peak Capital Bootcamp as well yesterday, guys, for those of you who are in the bootcamp. So we started, the first session was yesterday. If you didn't get any email or anything, definitely reach out to us. This bootcamp is probably the best bootcamp that we ever run. I think this is the 6th bootcamp. So looking forward to, oh, you didn't get an email. Oh, definitely email me. So that's for sure, we need that. And this is going to be the best bootcamp that we ever actually had. And that's it, guys. So yeah, I'm closing my day with 3,600. I sold some I sold some puts on TQQ before I go to Burning Man, because I wanted to get some losses. I had some losses. I wanted to realize my losses so I can get the tax break on that. So I sold TQQ puts at 32. They're not really great, but I have some SSO that just kind of staying what it does. But these are not the day trade positions. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and see you all tonight. John has the webinar. Oh no, not John. Who's the Wednesday psychology? We're going to see you in the psychology webinar, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Dr. Reed is on psychology. Excellent.